Okay guys, so in this video we're going to see how to create a very basic beginner console application in C Sharp. Here we're using Visual Studio Express 2012 for Windows Desktop, and it's in fact a free download from Microsoft Visual Studio website. Basically what we're going to demonstrate is to create a very simple application demonstrating how to save data, save input, user input from the screen, and display it back onto the screen. So let's start by going to clicking on New Project, and that's going to bring up a new project dialog box. And here you will see on the left there are various project templates to select, and so we're going to go with Visual C Sharp, then under Windows, and then you will find console application, and let's give it a name, say my first console application. Okay, we're going to click OK. You can just leave everything as default. Go OK. And it'll take a while to set up your project for you. Might not be a bad idea to get a cup of coffee. Sometimes it takes a while. But it looks like something is happening here, and yeah, there we go. So let's have a look at what we've got here. Right, so on the left hand side you can see is our code window. It says using system.collections.generic, and so forth and so forth. Basically this is where you specify your program to import various system libraries or namespaces, and this is the default for a Windows console application. Okay, and here you can see our namespace is called my first console application, just as we specified in the create a new project dialog. Our class is program, and static void main is our main function where things will happen. So let's go and start the code. Right, so what we want to do from the start is to say we want to print a message to the screen, and we can say console dot write line, open bracket, double quote, and say hi there, please type in your name, like that. And then now the next step is to obviously save the user input, and the way we do this is through a variable. So we will declare a variable which is basically a placeholder for data, and we wanna specifically capture the user input from the keyboard. So we're going to say we're going to declare a variable first, and let's make it of type, say, string, because this is going to be general input, not specifically numeric or any other kind of data type. We just want to capture simple string input or text input. And let's say here, declare it as name, and make it equal to user input console dot read line. There you go, and this in fact will save the user input from the keyboard into our variable. Then the next thing we'd like to do is to actually show the user that we captured it and print it back to the screen. So we're going to say again console.writeLine. There we go. Nice. Thank you. And we concatenate with the user input value of username. And we want to say in order to end this application, press any key to continue or something like that. And once again, to capture the user input, just say console.readline. Okay, right, let's start this by clicking the start button and see what is going to happen. When you press start, it's going to automatically build or compile your code. If there are any errors, it will tell you. Alright, so it says here, hi there, please type in your name. Press enter. And there you go. Nice to meet you, Billy. Press any key to end the application. And there you go, guys. This is your first console application.